Hey everyone, want to match your chat vibes with your mood? Today, let me show you how to change your Messenger chat themes to reflect how you're feeling. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and tap the chat that you want to customize, and this works on both group or one-on-one chat. Then, tap the person's group name at the top of the screen and open the chat settings and tap on the theme, and you'll see a tons of options like love, chill, pride, spooky, and more. Choose one that matches your current mood or event and tap your chosen theme, and it will instantly change the chat colors, emojis, and background to everyone in the chat. Super fun and expressive. And that's it. Now you can change your messenger chat anytime you like to match your mood, season, or occasion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more cool messenger tips. Thanks for watching.